that gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches a maximum height of 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. Finally, it reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. Find the angle of projection. So what do you mean by that? So you all very well experienced this lighting a racket. A boy or a person, so lighting a cracker, the cracker will go like this. You know that the cracker, racket cracker will go like this. So what is according to the question, it says when it goes away from the 6 meter, it reaches the maximum height. It should be in a parabolic path. It is given in your problem. So this is the maximum height. Then we can say that maximum height is 4 meter. Again it reaches the ground 6 meters away from the midpoint. That is totally 12 meter away from the starting point. Therefore I can say this is 6 meter. Totally we will have 12 meters. So therefore it says that it starts from this point and hence reaches the ground at this point. Totally the total distance reaches from starting point to the end point is 12. Therefore I am separating as 6 and 6. Therefore this is the vertices, that is the vertex of the parabola. Here also by the problem we can able to understand that the parabola should be open downward. Therefore the equation should be x squared is equals to minus 4ay. So using the problem, what the problem I have given, I have drawn the figure. So be careful, the figure is very important. So sometimes the figure carries 3 marks also. So here you will be getting 2 marks for this diagram. So therefore now draw the diagram neatly, okay, and very boldly. So now we will have just draw the diagram carefully. Now it is given that first it reaches the maximum height, then the distance is 6 meter. That is when the height moves to 4 meter, then the distance is 6 meter. Then again it reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. From this we can understood that there are 6 this side and this 6 side. Therefore we can say the vertices are minus 6, minus 4 and 6, minus 4. 2 points. Therefore we have the points lies on the parabola are 6, minus 6, minus 4 and 6, minus 4. Therefore I can say this equation, it passes through, take vertex as 0, 0. Now x squared is equals to minus 4ay. It passes through the first point 6, minus 4. So substituting x is equal to 6 and y is equals to minus 4, I will get 36 is equals to 4 4s are 16y. So 16a. Therefore your a is equals to 36 by 16, which is equals to 9 by 4. 4a is equals to 9. Substitute. Therefore the equation becomes x squared minus 4a is equals to 9, 9y. Take this as equation 1. Now the question here is, what is the question? According to the question, what you have to find out? Angle of projection. For that we need a slope. So let us find out the slope at the other point. Slope at, what is the other point? Minus 6, minus 4. Find what do you mean by slope? In the differential calculus, slope means you have to find out dy by dx. The differentiation of given function. So the curve here is the given parabola is x squared equals to minus 9 by 9y. Differentiate with respect to x. Then we will get 2x is equals to minus 9. Y differentiation will be getting dy by dx. Okay. From this I can say your dy by dx is equals to 2x minus 2x divided by 9. But it is given the point is minus 6, 4. Therefore you have to find out dy by dx at minus 6 minus 4. Therefore minus 2 into your x is equals to minus 6 divided by 9. Therefore 6 it will go 3 times, it will go 2 times. Therefore minus into minus plus 4 by 3. We have found out that dy by dx equals to 4 by 3. In other words, we can say, geometrically we can say that your dy by dx is equals to tan theta. Dy by dx is equals to tan theta. Therefore I can say your tan theta is nothing but dy by dx. We have found that dy by dx is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore we can say your theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Very simple problem and also very easier problem. You can solve the problem even within 2 minutes also if you are thorough in this problem. Now we can write take and write that the angle of projection is therefore the angle of projection the angle of projection is tan inverse of 4 by 3. One of the simple problem in parabola practical problems. So okay, always thorough that it is given that simply it is given that lighting a rocket tracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches the maximum height of 4 meter, is 6 meter away from the point of projection. Therefore from 6 meters it reaches the maximum point, therefore the maximum height is called 4. Again it reaches the ground 12 feet away from the starting point, therefore we can consider that the left hand side is 6 distance and the right hand side is 6. Therefore totally we can take the point as minus 6 comma minus 4 left hand side, and the right hand side we take the point as 6 comma minus 4. 6 comma minus 4 is lies on the parabola. Therefore I can say, since vertex is 0 comma 0, I can say it passes through the parabola, passes through the point 6 comma minus 4. Substituting the values of x and y, I am getting a is equals to 9 by 4. Substituting a is equals to 9 by 4, the required equation is x squared equals to minus 9y. The question here is you have to find out the angle of projection. For angle of projection we need slope. Slope means we have to differentiate with respect to x. We are finding out dy by dx at minus 6 comma minus 4 is equals to 4 by 3. So we are applying that dy by dx. The slope is nothing but tan theta. We are substituting a tan theta is equals to dy by dx. The dy by dx is equals to 4 by 3. From this we are getting the angle of projection tan inverse of 4 by 3. So very simple. Within 5 to 6 steps we can solve this problem. Okay? We'll go on to the next problem.